So today we are going to do a pasta pie. So I have my pasta already boiled here and drained, and I have my some seasoned pork. You could use chicken or turkey. It depends on what kind of meat you want to use. But I am using pork today. So I already shredded my pork and seasoned it with a teaspoon of green seasoning, a half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. And here I have 3 cups of cheese already grated, set aside. And I'm also using a half cup of corn and a half cup of mushroom. You will also need a cup of tomato paste. And here I have a half cup of ketchup, a half cup of barbecue sauce, 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise, and 2 teaspoons of mustard. And you will also need a cup of milk. So here I have my pot heating up, and I added a teaspoon of butter. I'm just leaving it let it melt. And I'm going to add my pork to this. So you just want to half cook your pork, just let it get a little color. Pork will properly cook in the oven while baking. So you just want to dry all the sauce up. You don't want too much sauce in this. Right, so my pork is good. It took about 5 minutes. And I'm going to add my corn and mushroom to it. I'm just going to mix it up.
Wow, what is this?
That's my daughter in the background. She's helping me, assisting me in my cooking today.
I want to add it next. There we go. I can add it in.
No, mommy, good thing it. So I'm going to add my tomato paste, barbecue sauce, mustard, and mayonnaise together. I'm going to mix it all together. Okay, so now that we have already mixed everything together, we will turn off the stove and add the pasta.
I want that.
Just adding in the pasta.
Shush!
So now I took it off the stove, and you will add to this a cup of the cheese.
I can add it.
My little daughter is helping me add it. The cheese. Just a cup of the cheese.
Oh.
Add the cup of milk to this.
Yep.
And you're going to mix everything together.
Hi, Mommy.
So this is my pasta here, and before I put it to bake, I'm going to add 3 eggs to this. Assistant Chloe, please help me throw in my egg. I'm going to mix it together. And I will also be using bacon, but my bacon will be going on top, like a layer on top of my pie. So I have placed my pasta mixture into my baking sheet, and I'm just going to sprinkle my cheese on top.
Okay.
And now that I added my cheese, I'm now going to lay my bacon.
I can do it. I can do it, Mommy.
Lay my bacon on top. Okay, so here is my pie already with my cheese and my bacon, and I'm going to put it in the oven for between 15 to 20 minutes, or until the bacon and the top get nice and brown and crisp. So this is my pie and it's done. So I'm going to cut into it and show you what it looks like inside. See, the bacon is crisp, looks delicious and smell really good. So this is what it looks like. It's still hot and it tastes really delicious. So I hope you guys do try this simple recipe for the kids. Easy way and a new way in making your pasta. Try something new for the kids. Hope you guys do try it and enjoy.